it's Ken K, your favorite bougie bae, and I am back with a video today. I went to the grocery store. So I went to Walmart. I just got some mozzarella sticks, some Crustables. Focus. Okay, so I got some sliders. Basically everything I will eat out. Here's a few. This juice is so good. Some breakfast stuff, so I'm gonna package this up. I got this from Costco's, these paper towels. So here's my fridge right now. This is just like my sauces, everything that I'll spread. And this is like the top shelf of my fridge. My freezer. And here's like a few more items that I have to put. The best beef burger you will ever have. I do like Sprite. Sprite is like my favorite. When I'm eating lunch, I like to drink soda, but I do have water. My water's in my car. It's a little bit too heavy for me to carry up by myself. So I'm just going to wait until my boyfriend can go and get it, because I have 40. I drink about 3 bottles a day, so I'm very hydrated. I like to put them right here because when I put it on this side, it's not a lot of storage. It's not a lot of like, I need like a base to make sure it doesn't fall. Just in case I want to make some tacos for dinner or lunch. These are so good. So I had to go and get that. This is the best green drink that you could get. So I'm gonna get that. Toaster strudels for breakfast. So this goes in the freezer. Chicken nuggets. I don't like chicken with steroids in it. It's not good for your body. This is the chicken breast nuggets by Pantry. You put y'all on to this right here. Chocolate covered bananas. Some Fanta soda right here.
Oh, check out Fanta, nice and cold.
For the lunch days. I don't know why I didn't do it, but you open up this side right here and you push all the cans out like this. I have some croissants for breakfast. Got some silk milk, unsweet. I don't like the sweetened. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all like that. I just don't like it. Not cute. I don't like my milk to taste like anything. So y'all let me know what y'all do. But that's personally what I do, because I don't like my milk to taste like anything. I usually don't like to get my fruit from Walmart. I just personally feel like Walmart's fruits aren't as fresh. I feel like everyone should go to a farmer's market or like go to somewhere that promotes quality like Target or Publix, but I didn't feel like going to Target or Publix today. So these strawberries look pretty good. Caught my eyes. It's good. I keep all my stuff like down there. This is fresh produce right here. I just got these. So I'm just gonna replace that. Throw this away. Some burger buns and some onions. Lemon, because I clean my seafood with lemon. I really wanted to put some strawberries and chocolate, so I just got this because it looks good. Y'all don't mind me, okay? I got some mozzarella sticks in the door. Some Uncrustables because I don't want to make a sandwich all the time. Yo! Uncrustables, okay? Don't judge me. I'm a little bit lazy. I don't want to cook all the time. So that's what we're going to do. Got some shrimp. Put that in there. I just get the Deli Fresh honey smoked turkey. That's good. Put that there. Oh, actually, it's like in here. I see I have all this water in here. cold. And let me know if that happens to y'all. It's not really good to put like food items in the door because it just doesn't, it spoils easier. So I try not to put food in the door, but if I'm out of space, like I have to. That's my freezer. If you never had golden crust patties, I just put y'all on. Fries from my air fryer, or if I want to try some fries, I just have some fries. Cook. I even have egg rolls, y'all. Like, I'm so fat. I'm so fat. I love to eat. The fridge is now looking nice and full. Nice and full. What do I want to do? I like to be organized. So let's fix this up and make it more neat. So this is like for my dishwasher. And then I have some disposable gloves to clean with. Throw this away. So here are some new sponges right here. I'm gonna put it right there. And this is unused. And then this is for my tile in my bathroom. And that's like to mop with my Swiffer jet. Make sure your eggs are not cracked. So I just got these eggs. Brown eggs at a better diet, so I just have some eggs. All of that just has to have eggs. This is the type of bread I like to get. I get Nature's Own butter bread, so I'm gonna put that in my pantry. I literally replace all my bread. I don't keep my bread for too long, so I'm gonna throw that out. Munchies with peanut butter, those are really good. Got some muffin. Got that. Quesadilla stuff, just in case I want to make like, you know, a burrito or quesadilla. Keep that there. Got some Jolly Ranchers, croutons, in case I want a salad. Crap. I think this bread is not good anymore. I don't know when my boyfriend bought these. Be getting messy quick. Here, so I keep all my bag clips right here. I usually keep like my pasta and stuff like up here. And we got some oatmeal. See? Oatmeal stuff. Rice. I gotta pin up this rice. Nachos. And I like the Frito cheese. This is bad. These cookies are the best. I gotta put these in here in case I want a little cookie. And their box is cute too. It's way more organized now. My Pop-Tart bill. Napkins were so cute for Valentine's Day. And I have some popcorn that's empty. I gotta throw out. I gotta re-up on the popcorn. Good. This is just a Fruity Loop Pop-Tart. I got a couple of those as y'all seen earlier. And this is the best tea for you to help with, you know, going to sleep and stuff like that. I love my pantry. It's cute. I have to fix those down there. But yeah, I keep like all my stuff that I use and my liquor and stuff here. But this is good for like fish fry. Put that right here. All right, y'all. Bye.
The beat provider, baby.